So this look, based off of what you see, is very vampy but sexy, like sultry, you know, like just so poppin'. So I just wanted to tell you that I made PR of Juvia's place. This is like my first big PR, even though they might not recognize me, you know, they might not acknowledge me, but I'm hype. Okay, like I got in the mail, like, did I get lit and order makeup? Like I don't recall ordering makeup. So yes, I was just so excited. So I'm gonna show y'all what it is. It came in this box, came with a makeup case, y'all. Is actually $15, and look at how deep this is. Like, look at how deep that is. So I was just like so honored because I could fit so much. This is like now my travel makeup bag. This is the palette. The palette is $15, and you really can't go wrong with a palette like this. So what I will say is that I wasn't able to get my hands on the 2 lip glosses because they were low in stock, I believe they said. So it may come later, but the crazy part, which saved my life, is that I already had a nice vampy plum lip gloss and lipstick, so I just kind of did my own lip. The lip glosses are $10. There's 2 lip glosses, Royalty and FUMI. So this one is like FUMI but it's my FUMI, you know what I mean? So I just felt like it would pair so good with the purple. Okay, look at this so let's move on to the glitter. So I did a glitter liner, as you're gonna see in the video, and I used the Cutie Pop Glitzy glitters. Look at the diamond collection. This is so cute, and this is what it looks like. The glitter is pretty much chunky, minced, all 3 in 1, blue, silver, purple, and pink. Like, come on with it. Okay, so that's what we used, and then I actually mixed it because I love to mix glitters. I mixed it with this purple glitter that I already had together, but I really just wanted to add some dimension to this look, which is why I added the glitter. I don't know why I don't know, come on, like, it's self-explanatory. Okay.